Very good morning, students. Today we have to discuss common posture deformity. Okay, 12th class students, listen carefully. Common posture deformity is uh, like kyphosis, lordosis, knock knee, flat foot, bow legs, scoliosis, etc. Today we have to discuss all these topic complete. Okay, and in this topic for this deformality. Okay, first is flat foot. Students, in a flat foot, if any person having this type of deformality, then their foot is not having a, that's why if you have a mark with the help of foot, then your picture of foot is making a complete, not incomplete picture. If you have a curve in foot, then your picture is like last one. You have to see सेकंड पिक्चर की तरह आपका पिक्चर आएगा फुट का. इफ़ यू हैव टू पुट आफ्टर यू हैव टू कलर ऑन अ फुट. अगर आपने कलर कर लिया अपने फुट पर, उसके बाद कहीं प्लेन पेज पर या किसी प्लेन जगह पर रखते हैं, तो इस तरीके का कॉपी बन के आती है. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द करेक्टिव मेजर. करेक्टिव मेजर इज दैट you have to practice uh, like you have to take a plastic bottle and do a practice on the plastic bottle in middle portion. ओके, जहाँ पर ये कर्व बना है वहाँ पर प्लास्टिक बोतल को रख के ज़मीन पर रख के प्रैक्टिस करते हैं लाइक अ बेलन सिलेंडर. और यू हैव टू वॉक स्लैंड जमीन रेतीली मिट्टी पर चल के इसको ठीक करते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द bow legs. In a bow leg, in this picture clearly seen, your knee is outward of each other. Okay, uh, this type of deformity is having a 0 to 3 year children. After that, this is already removed. Lot of person not having a remove this type of deformity, that's why they are having this type of problem. And you have to see a normal position. Okay, we have to discuss about the corrective measure of the bow legs. You have to do a Ardha Chakrasan, Garudasan, and also do a practice inward the knee. Okay, and next is knock knee. Is you have to see in this picture, knock knee is that or both of knees is touched to each other, and if you are doing a running, then your knee is reflect to each other. That's why in an army or defense, coaches or PE person is checked, and if this type of deformity is there, then candidate is fail. Okay, you have to see this deformity. Both knees touch to each other. Okay, that's why we have to call knock knee. The knee is knocked to each other. Now we have to talk about the corrective measure. Because of that, the knock knee means this touch. So that's why we have to do a practice of horse riding, Padmasan, Sukhasan, or and we these type of person have to pillow between the both knees and do a practice regular. Okay, next is in a round shoulder. So you have to see in this picture your shoulder is downward or neck is down and your abdominal is inward. In a normal position you have to see in this is the posture deformality. If you are doing these not doing these type of practices for correct, then you have to do this type of deformality. This is a habit, not a deformality, we have to say. We can say that. Okay, if you are doing practice in a right posture, then you have to remove practice of correct posture or Tadasana. Okay, and you have to walk and stand in a correct posture, then they remove. This is the habit, not a deformality. Okay, now we have to discuss about the kyphosis. Kyphosis is a spine problem. Then your back spine near the neck is also see this type of picture is clear. This type of deformity is kyphosis. Uh, we have to say in our languages कुबड़. Okay, पीठ जो पीछे की तरफ बाहर निकल आती है. Now we have to discuss about the corrective measure of kyphosis is Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, and you have to bend your back backward, and sit up position also we have to do for the kyphosis formality. Okay, now we have to discuss about the lordosis. Lordosis is a lower back formality, lumbar lordosis, we have to say that. Okay, you have to see in this picture your lower limb is go outward. Okay, this is the bad posture of this deformality. Most of the foundation the corrective position is that corrective measure is that we have to do a forward bending alternate touch. Okay, for this corrective measure, and we also provide the notes you have to see and write. Okay, now last topic is scoliosis. You have to see in this picture. Third one is also spine problem, scoliosis. You have to see in this picture a normal spine and scoliosis spine. Your spine is turned left or right. Spine is in a position of our letter S. Okay, and we have to talk about the corrective measure of scoliosis. And sit up, and also backward swimming is very helpful for this type of deformality. Having this person is doing swimming. Okay, students, I think all topic is clear today. You have to do with the help of notes. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.